Niré Beauty 15-piece award-winning professional makeup brush set. Vegan makeup brushes with case, makeup sponge, brush cleaner, guide, gift box. Bristle material synthetic fibers. Brand Niré. Recommended uses for product for foundation, concealer, powder, contour, blush, highlighter, eyeshadow, eyeliner, brows, lipstick. Color black and rose gold. Proven quality, complete super soft brush set from an award-winning British brand. End confusion. A brush and cleaning guide is included with secret pro tips. Feel confident and beautiful. Gift with confidence. If they don't love their Niré brush set, it's on us. Best quality makeup brush set including professional makeup brushes you actually need. Looking for best premium makeup brushes? Choose these luxury makeup brush sets and best professional makeup brush set. Looking for gifts for makeup lovers? A perfect makeup brush kit for beginners, but also the best gifts